Good morning. Welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 2015 204 Mako with a 225 Verado. Red hull, black bottom paint. Hull has just been buffed for the spring. Take a walk around, go inside, take a look. Boat has the T-top, black Weblon. Hull looks good. Scuff on the side, nothing major. 225 Verado. Walk inside and take a look. As we come inside our 20-foot Mako, you can see the helm, tilt wheel, Lowrance GPS, windshield, forward seating with storage in the floor, anchor locker, seating in front of the helm, flip up seating on it for storage underneath, T-top, metal looks like it's in good shape, storage on both sides, 2 rod holders in each side. There's your seating, cord could go under it, seating in the back, and when it's down. This is our 2015 red 20-foot Mako. Thank you.